Now, if you know you got an email, but every time you open up the email app, it's not receiving those emails. They're not popping up in your app. I'm going to show you how to definitely get that fixed. Let's first just open up the Mail app here on your iPhone. Most people use the default Mail app. I'm going to walk you through the steps on this app. Now, the first thing you're going to do is just take your finger and swipe down. You can see at the very top, it will check for new emails to see if you got any new recent emails. Now, one thing that you can check to see is if it is in your spam. So you can always go back, open up that inbox here, and hit junk. And just check there to make sure it didn't just get basically landed in your junk folder instead of your inbox. Now, if that doesn't work, let's just head into your settings. So once you're in your settings on your iPhone, let's get to the Mail settings. So we'll scroll down to the very bottom, and we're going to tap on Apps at the bottom. Now, from here, we'll find the Mail app here. So let's scroll down to the M section, tap on Mail, and we're going to do two different things on here. The first one is you can see cellular data. I'm going to toggle this off. Wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. If you're not on Wi-Fi, you want to make sure cell data is turned on so that it can fetch new emails just using your mobile data or cell data. Now, the second thing that you're going to do on here is to check to see if everything looks good with that account. So tap on Mail Accounts at the very top, and then tap on that account, for instance, just this one. Now, on here, you can toggle off the Mail option and wait a few seconds and toggle it back on, and then go into the Mail app to see if it works. If it still doesn't work, the next option that I would recommend is open up a web browser, and you're going to make sure it's not an issue with the email client themselves. So for instance, I have Gmail, so I'm going to type in "is Gmail down?" You can do that for Yahoo or MSN or whatever you have for your email. So just open this up here and see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. You can see there is actually a spike right now in reported outages. It's not a massive spike, but that could be the culprit of your problem if there is a big spike in reported outages. Basically, it could be the email client themselves that are not delivering the email to your iPhone, if you get what I'm saying. Now, if that still doesn't work, the last thing that we can do that always works is go back into your settings. We're on the account page for your email here, and all you need to do is hit delete account and delete for my iPhone. Now, this doesn't delete any of your email. It doesn't delete your contacts, your calendar. It's all still there on that email client servers, Gmail, Yahoo, MSN, Outlook, whatever it may be. And then all you need to do is hit add an account. And in this case, Google, just tap on it and go through the process of adding that Gmail or Google or Yahoo account, whatever email account again. So let's enter in the password for that one here. Let's find it here. And I will hit continue and continue. And now you can see at the very top, email is turned on. So I can just hit save here and it's good to go. It added that email to this account again. I can just open up the email app and it should be working normally.